Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the stock category in SAP Warehouse Management. Those who are working on SAP Warehouse Management, it is important to know that how the article is getting available for the customer, or how the stock is getting inspected, or how the overall management inside the warehouse. So let me show you the category. What are the types of category available? And those are available stock, inspection stock, blocked stock, and blocked stock return. So when the material comes into the warehouse, so the overall process can be categorized into these four parts: available stock, inspection stock, blocked stock, and blocked stock return. Now I will be going through one of these one by one and will be telling you the meaning of it. So the first one, available stock. Available stock meaning that unrestricted use stock. So it is physically located in the warehouse and there is no restriction for the use or transfer or put away or picking. So those are called as available stock. Now coming to the next one, the inspection stock, meaning that when you find that, or when the warehouse management finds that those article or those stock should not be directly used for the customer, it should be inspected, meaning that there can be a damaged, or there can be some kind of notice that it can be damaged. So those should be checked, and if it finds that it is good, there is no issue in the article or material, then it can be immediately put into this available stock category. Otherwise it can be put below to the block stock. So, and in the inspection stock can be marked as Q in the SAP. Now coming to the block stock, so as I said that, so in this warehouse management process, and if the stock finds as not to be used or further inspected, then it should be put as blocked stock. So, and blocked stock can be categorized as S, and this block stock can be further inspected to be returned to the vendor, or should be inspected again. So, and if it is find that this block stock should return to the vendor, then those materials should come under this category, blocked stock return. So here you can create a different PO to return to the vendor, then those articles or materials should be returned to the vendors again. So these are the main four types how the stock is getting processed inside the warehouse. I hope I could able to give you some information about it. So thank you for watching, and please like and share this tutorial. Thank you.